Small business owners, picture this. Artificial intelligence that was once exclusive to tech giants is now sitting on your desk, available at no cost, ready to transform how you run your business. In 2025, we're witnessing something extraordinary. Small business AI adoption has jumped from 39% to 55% in just 12 months, with 89% of small businesses globally now using AI for everything from writing emails to analyzing customer data. But here's the remarkable bit. Whilst 42% of companies abandoned expensive AI projects due to unclear value, smart small business owners are discovering that the most powerful AI tools don't require massive budgets. They're finding enterprise-level capabilities hidden in free tiers and completely free platforms. 91% of small and medium businesses using AI report it boosts their revenue, with 66% saving between $400 and $1,600 monthly through automation alone. Today, we're exploring the best free AI tools that can revolutionize your small business operations across marketing, content creation, customer service, and analytics. These aren't just freemium trial offers. These are genuinely powerful tools offering substantial free functionality that can compete with services costing thousands of pounds annually. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a team of 15, these AI assistants are about to become your most valuable employees. Let me show you the 5 marketing automation tools that small businesses are using to compete with much larger companies. MailerLite, 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails monthly with AI-powered automation sequences. HubSpot, CRM, 1 million contacts, unlimited users, and 2,000 monthly emails with AI lead scoring. Buffer, 3 social accounts with 10 scheduled posts per channel, plus AI content generation. MailChimp, 500 subscribers and 1,000 monthly emails with basic automation features. ChatGPT, unlimited content creation for email campaigns, social posts, and ad copy. Now, here's why these are game changers. MailerLite offers something quite remarkable compared to its competitors. No daily sending limits and sophisticated automation capabilities. A local bakery recently used their free tier to grow from 200 to 950 subscribers in 6 months, achieving 32% open rates simply by using AI-optimized subject lines. HubSpot's free CRM is perhaps the most generous offering in business software. You get storage for 1 million contacts with unlimited users, capabilities that typically cost hundreds of pounds monthly. A growing SaaS startup used HubSpot's free CRM to manage over 15,000 leads, tracking $2.3 million in revenue without spending a penny on customer management software. Buffer's AI assistant transforms your content strategy by taking a single blog post and adapting it for Instagram's visual format, LinkedIn's professional tone, and Twitter's conversational style, all whilst maintaining your brand voice. Here are the 5 content creation tools that are replacing expensive design agencies and video production companies. Canva, 250,000 templates, AI design suggestions, and basic image generation. Synthesia, 36 minutes of AI-generated video annually with multilingual avatars. Wix AI Website Builder, complete business websites generated from simple prompts. Copy.ai, AI copywriting for marketing emails, social posts, and website content DALL-E via ChatGPT. Custom image generation for marketing materials and social media. The content creation landscape has been utterly transformed by these tools. Canva's free tier provides access to professional quality templates that previously required expensive design agencies. A restaurant owner recently used Canva's AI features to create an entire month's worth of social media content in just 2 hours. Menu showcases, promotional graphics, and story templates that rivaled work from professional designers. Synthesia represents the future of video content. Whilst 36 minutes annually might sound limiting, it's perfect for creating 12 to 18 short business videos throughout the year. A software company used their free allocation to create product demonstration videos and customer onboarding content, replacing expensive video production with AI avatars that speak in over 120 languages. When these tools work together, magic happens. ChatGPT creates the copy, Canva designs the visuals, Synthesia produces the video content, and Wix hosts it all, creating a complete content ecosystem without any licensing fees or subscription costs. Customer service has reached a tipping point with these 5 powerful automation tools. Tidio, 100 chatbot conversations monthly with intelligent routing and 24/7 availability. Zapier, 100 monthly automation tasks connecting over 7,000 different business apps. Taskade, unlimited projects with AI-generated task lists and smart scheduling. Intercom, basic chatbot functionality with automated responses and lead capture. Microsoft Power Automate, 750 monthly workflow runs connecting Microsoft and third-party services. These tools create customer service that never sleeps. Tidio's free tier handles 70–80% of common inquiries automatically, whilst capturing leads and booking appointments even when staff aren't available. A dental clinic reduced their no-show rate by 25% using Tidio's automated appointment reminders and confirmation system. Zapier transforms how businesses handle repetitive tasks. One consulting firm automated their entire lead management process, from website form submission to CRM entry, follow-up email scheduling, and task creation for the sales team. This level of automation previously required expensive enterprise software. Taskady's AI-powered project management reduced setup time by 70% for a marketing agency by automatically generating comprehensive project plans from simple descriptions. The AI doesn't just create tasks, it understands project dependencies and suggests realistic timelines. Data analysis, once exclusive to expensive business intelligence software, is now accessible through these remarkably powerful free tools. Microsoft Power BI Desktop connects to 100+ data sources with AI pattern recognition. Google Analytics. 4. Advanced AI Insights, predicting customer behavior and conversion opportunities. 9. Open source machine learning platform for predictive analytics. Google Data Studio, visual dashboard creation with automated reporting capabilities. Hotjar, user behavior tracking with heat maps and session recordings, limited free tier. Power BI's desktop version uses AI to automatically identify patterns, detect anomalies, and generate plain English explanations of your business performance. A retail shop discovered that 20% of their products generated 80% of their profits, leading to strategic inventory optimization that improved margins by 35%. Google Analytics 4 provides sophisticated AI-powered insights that go beyond basic website statistics. An online store increased conversions by 35% after GA4's AI identified that mobile users were abandoning carts specifically at the shipping information page, prompting a targeted mobile checkout redesign. For advanced analysis, K9's open-source platform offers enterprise-grade machine learning capabilities. A subscription service reduced customer churn by 22%, using K9's predictive models to identify at-risk customers and implement targeted retention strategies. Success with AI tools requires strategic implementation, not random experimentation. Start with your biggest pain point. If customer inquiries overwhelm your team, begin with Tidio. If content creation consumes too much time, start with Canva and ChatGPT. The most successful small businesses follow a 3-month implementation pattern. Month 1 focuses on mastering one primary tool, Month 2 adds complementary tools and integrations, and Month 3 optimizes workflows and measures results. Integration is key to maximizing value. Use MailerLite email sequences to nurture HubSpot CRM leads, promote buffer-scheduled social content, and track everything in Google Analytics. This creates a unified system where each tool amplifies the other's effectiveness. Consider upgrade timing strategically. Free tiers can support most small businesses for 6–12 months. When you consistently hit usage limits, it signals business growth that justifies paid upgrades, a positive problem to have. Looking ahead, 2025 represents a pivotal moment for small business AI adoption. We're seeing the emergence of AI agents, autonomous systems that handle complex workflows without human intervention. Microsoft predicts that by year's end, businesses will have teams of agents working alongside human employees, handling everything from IT support to supply chain management. The businesses implementing AI tools today are building sustainable competitive advantages. They're operating more efficiently, serving customers better, and scaling faster than their traditional competitors. The gap between AI adopters and non-adopters is widening rapidly, making now the optimal time to begin your AI transformation. Your next steps are straightforward. Choose one tool from today's recommendations that addresses your most pressing business challenge. Implement it thoroughly over the next month. Master its capabilities, integrate it with your existing workflows, and measure the results. Then expand systematically, adding complementary tools that amplify your success. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here, it's free, and it's waiting for you to harness its power. Your competitors who hesitate will find themselves at an increasingly significant disadvantage, whilst you'll be building the AI-powered business of the future. The question isn't whether you can afford to implement these tools, it's whether you can afford not to. The transformation starts today. Your business will thank you tomorrow.